There is a kind of pain that is invisible to the world but undeniable to the soul, a type of suffering that does not come from the body, from circumstances, or from other people, but from the spirit itself. These pains are not random. They are not punishment. They are not signs of failure. They are spiritual evidence that you were called, separated, and shaped for something greater than an ordinary life. Only the chosen ones feel these 7 pains because only the chosen are required to carry this level of spiritual weight. This is not loneliness, it is separation. God isolates the chosen not to punish them, but to draw them closer, to remove distractions, and to prepare them for a mission that requires silence, clarity, and solitude. Isolation is the cocoon where chosen souls transform. You wake up exhausted from battles you never discussed. Attacks come out of nowhere. Your peace is threatened for no logical reason, but the intensity of your warfare is proof of your destiny. The 4th spiritual pain is being misunderstood. Your silence is misread. Your distance is judged. Your intentions are twisted. People around you see your actions but cannot see your spirit, so they misunderstand who you are. You try to explain, but words fail. You try to connect, but it feels forced. Chosen ones are misunderstood because they operate on a spiritual frequency the world does not comprehend. You were never meant to be understood by everyone, only by those who walk with the same depth of soul. The 5th spiritual pain is not fitting in anywhere. Since childhood, chosen ones feel out of place in their family, in school, in friend groups, in society. You always felt different, not better, but different. There was always something inside you that didn't belong to the world around you. This discomfort is not rejection, it is distinction. Your spirit was never created to blend into the environment. It was created to stand out, to elevate, to awaken others. The pain of not fitting in is the soul's reminder that you were born to walk a unique path. The 6th spiritual pain is carrying a purpose you don't yet understand. You feel something inside you, a pull, a calling, a mission, but you cannot explain it. You feel like you are waiting for something, preparing for something, becoming something. But you don't know what it is or how it will happen. This spiritual tension can feel like frustration or confusion, but it is actually divine alignment. Your soul knows where you are going long before your mind understands the destination. The chosen feel the weight of purpose even in seasons where nothing is happening. The 7th spiritual pain is the heaviness of spiritual awakening. Once your eyes open, they never close again. You start seeing the truth behind people's masks, the emptiness behind certain lifestyles, the spiritual battles behind physical events. Awakening is beautiful, but it is painful because you can't go back to who you were. You can't tolerate what you used to accept. You can't live blind to what your spirit now sees. Awakening strips illusions and forces you to confront realities you weren't prepared to face. These 7 spiritual pains are not signs that something is wrong with you. They are signs that something is being built within you. God molds His chosen in secret, shapes them in silence, and prepares them through pressure. Your pain is not meaningless. It is training. Your battles are not random, they are assignments. Your sensitivity is not weakness, it is spiritual intelligence. Your isolation is not abandonment, it is activation. What you carry is heavy because what you are becoming is powerful. But here is the truth most people miss. The chosen ones suffer more because they are destined for more. Don't run from them. Don't reject them. They are divine signatures, marks of the soul, spiritual evidence that you are chosen, guided, protected, and prepared. You are not suffering because you are weak. You are suffering because you are being shaped for something only the chosen can carry. You were called long before you knew it, and every pain was a step in your awakening, the motivation you need, where your awareness expands and your soul finds direction.